Hi everyone, this is India and Brent, and we're going to talk about types of economies. We'll show you some examples of each and how they've developed into the economies they are today. First up, the centrally planned economy. This is an economy in which the government decides how economic resources will be allocated. An extreme version of a centrally planned economy happened in the Soviet Union from 1917 to 1991. Established by the Communist Party, the government had complete control over what goods would be produced, how, and to whom they would be given. Next up, the market economy. You can take a breather here because in this type of economy, the decisions of households and firms interacting in markets determine what economic resources are allocated. The government has less control in this system than in the centrally planned economy. It takes on a laissez-faire approach, a term in French which means let go, and in economics, let the people do. Markets determine who receives goods and services rather than the government, and mostly rely on privately owned firms to make decisions about what is produced. Because a market economy is more independent than centrally planned, they can use consumers to decide what goods and services should be produced. In recent years, a more modern version of these economies was developed. In the 1900s, the Great Depression swept the nation and called the U.S. government to action. There were high rates of unemployment, lack of care for the elderly, and an overall need for improved policies for the country. Programs like Social Security and minimum wage laws are examples of a modern or mixed economy. This is an example in which interactions between buyers and sellers determine most economic decisions, but the government still plays a significant role in the allocation of resources.